Hi friends, welcome to airdrop spot and welcome to Nubit incentivized testnet campaign. In today's video, we are going to explore easy way to run Nubit Lite node, and to do that we are going to be visiting mintair.xyz. So we are here, you're going to tap on launch app. So with Mintair, you can run node. Remember, whenever we hear of running a node, we always think of PC and interacting with several lines of code, and then you get worried since you are not a developer. But with Mintair, you can run your own node with just one click. So you have to connect with your MetaMask wallet. And once you connect, in the slot for wallet, it is going to be filled automatically. Then you just need to now enter your name and email address to completely sign up on Mintair. Now it is going to ask you for a referral code. I'm going to put the referral code that you are going to use here in the comment section. If you use this referral code, you are going to get 5% off whatever payment you are making on Mintair. So I have entered my email address, my name, and also wallet address, which means I am done signing up. Then I'm going to tap on connect wallet. I'll choose MetaMask, and then I'm going to sign in my wallet. Now you can see different projects that you can run a node for on Mintair. Some of them are sold out and there is still some slots left on Nubit. So tap on Nubit, and here you are going to have to choose which of the plans that you want. There is a 1 month plan and there is 2 month plan. If you want to run your node for just 1 month, it costs you $10. And if you want to run it for 2 months straight, it costs you about $8 per month, which means if you at the end of 2 months, you are going to be spending $16. So choose whichever one that works for you. As for Nubit, I believe 1 month is okay, so I'll be sticking with 1 month plan. Then at the bottom of the screen, you are going to choose your payment method. I'll be choosing CopperX. CopperX is here, and you can make your payment using crypto. Now the wallet that you are going to be connecting is dependent on the token that you want to use for your payment. I got some funds on Base, so I'm going to be using Base as my payment method. Now after choosing network, you still need to choose the coin on Base that you want to use to make your payment. I have my funds on ETH, so I'm going to be choosing ETH. Then tap on connect wallet to pay. Since I am using Base, then that means I'll have to be connecting my MetaMask wallet. If you are using token like any token on Solana, then you know you are going to be connecting Phantom or Solet or any other Solana wallet. Okay, so I am connecting with my MetaMask now. My wallet is currently not on Base network, so I'm going to tap on switch network. Then tap on pay. Now confirm transaction in your wallet. Payment successful. Now I am going to tap on the sidebar menu. I am going to tap on active nodes. The moment you made your payment and your payment is confirmed, your node will start running automatically. You can see mine running. Now when you run a node on Nubit, a Kepler wallet is automatically created for you, and this is where we are going. Tap on show configuration. You can see your wallet address at the top under running. Okay, so here if you tap on reveal configuration, your private key and your seed phrase, the seed phrase of the wallet address generated for you, will be shown to you. Okay, now note that your private key and your seed phrase can only be revealed once. So before you tap on reveal configuration, make sure that you have gotten your pen and paper ready, and once it is revealed, write everything down and also cross-check it so that you can avoid mistakes. Okay, so once you are ready to write it down, tap on review configuration and then write them down somewhere safe. Now once you are done writing it down, let's go back to our node. We are going to open Kepler wallet now. Now let's tap on that person icon at the top right. And we are going to tap on add wallet. Now tap on import an existing wallet. Tap on use recovery phrase or private key. And then you are going to paste the recovery phrase that you just saved from your Mintair account, either 12 words, 24 words, or private key, whichever one that is yours. You are going to paste it and then you are going to import it. Now, for you to be able to distinguish this wallet address generated for Nubit from other Kepler wallet address that you previously have, name your wallet. I'll be naming my Nubit node so that whenever I see it, I will know that this one is for running node on Nubit. Okay. So now once you have imported your address, we are going to visit change.kepler.app. And in the search bar, I'm going to be searching for Nubit. You can see it here, so tap on add to Kepler to add the chain to Kepler. Tap on approve. Chain successfully added, so I'll go back to my Kepler wallet. I'll go to the sidebar menu by the left. I'll tap on manage chain visibility. Then in the search bar, I'm going to search for Nubit and I'm going to check that box, that tiny box by the right. Then tap on save. Now you see that I now have Nubit in my Kepler wallet. Let's tap on Nubit and then let's copy our wallet address because we'll be needing it later. Now we are going to be visiting alpha.nubit.org. This website only supports desktop for now, so switch your browser to desktop mode if you are using mobile. Now let's connect wallet. Make sure that the wallet you are connecting is the same Kepler wallet that you are using to run a node. So at the beginning, there are 3 quests to complete, which will give you 3,000 points, and that is to follow Nubit on Twitter, join Discord, and also join them on Telegram. But for you to be able to verify this quest, you need to complete a campaign on Galxe. There are actually 2 campaigns. We'll be completing the first one. So these are entirely social tasks. I am done completing everything and then I have 55 points to claim. However, there is a quiz which I reserved for this moment. I will be attempting the quiz now. You can watch me answer the quiz to get your own answers, or you can simply just go to the comment section where I'll be pinning every resource that you need, and then you will also find the answers to the quiz there. So I am going to claim 65 points now. I'll tap on claim 65 points. Now here is the second campaign, which will be giving you 300 points just for following them on Twitter, joining Telegram, and also joining their Discord server. So I'll verify everything and then claim 300 points. Then I'll go back to Nubit. So since I have done everything required here, I'm just going to tap on verify button to verify everything at once, or simply refresh my browser. All tasks verified, and now I have earned 3,000 points. Now next I'm going to be making use of Nubit faucet. That is it at the top right of my screen. I'll tap on it. Here we are. I'll be pasting my Nubit wallet address that I copied from Kepler earlier. I'll paste it in the slot for address, then I'll tap on get nub. It will take a couple of minutes for the test tokens to be deposited in your wallet address. Now you want to make sure to always come back to this faucet and claim your test tokens daily. We are not using it yet, but then at the third phase of this incentivized testnet, it is going to be useful. This video was recorded in 2 stages. Everything you have been watching so far was recorded about 3 days ago, and what you are going to be seeing next when I return to Nubit is recorded today, the same day you are watching this video, okay? And now you see that my interface on Nubit have changed, and that is because the second phase of this incentivized testnet campaign is now live, and that is the light node quest. So what are we to do in the light node quest? If you check my points, you'll see that I have previously earned 3,000 points at the beginning of this video, and now we have 3,000 points to earn again today. So how do we earn these points? Let's read the instruction. The instruction says to copy and paste your light node public key into the provided field and then click verify. And if your public key passes verification, you are going to earn 3,000 points. But then you have to make sure, be careful, ensure that you are copying the right thing, because you can only verify your account once. So if you get it wrong the first time, it is gone forever. You can't do anything about it again. So to get our public key, remember that when we were on Mintair at the beginning of this video, I said you should save everything: your wallet address, your public key, your seed phrase, and your private key. Save it somewhere safe. So if you are yet to do that, just go back to your node, active nodes, the one you are running for Nubit, then tap on node public key. Tap on that copy icon to copy it. Okay, so I will go back to Nubit and then I'm going to paste this public key. Enter your light node public key. I'll paste it there. Then tap on the verify button. Yay! My node running on Mintair is successful and it passed the verification check. Now, since you are likely to be doing everything the same day, make sure that when you start to run your node on Mintair, you wait for about 15 to 30 minutes before you come to Nubit to verify it, okay? So you can see there is no other point to earn at the moment, and now I have earned 6,000 points. So we continue claiming our test token from faucet every day, and then we wait for the third phase of this incentivized testnet to kick in. We have come to the end of today's video. If you have any question, drop me a comment in the comment section of this video. I'll have every resource that you need for this testnet interaction pinned in the comment section for your convenience. If you have found value in my content, give me a like in this video and also subscribe to my channel. You might as well join us on Telegram. You will also find the link in the comment section as well. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in another tutorial.